I'll be teaching you how to remove background of any picture at all. So you just open your Chrome browser, preferably Chrome browser. Come to this part where you say search or type. This area of search or type, and then you type in the URL, that is the website. So the website I'm going to be using is remove.bg without space. Remove.bg. Then you click enter. Then to search, you should go to the website. Alright, it will load this way. You allow it to load, and then when it loads, it will show you this icon, upload image. So you click on this upload image. When you click on upload image, it will show you pictures from your gallery. So if you have snapped any picture, you pick the picture. Let's say for instance I want to pick this picture of our boss Tinubu. So when you maybe just click done, it will load the picture and remove the background totally for you, so you can see the effect. Can you see the picture now? That's how it's going to remove. And so peradventure you want this table in front of him to be removed also. If you want this table to be removed, you quickly simply do this. You come to this side where it says erase. This side where it says erase. This erase here. You click on erase. So you see this icon here, you can increase and reduce. So when you increase, you see how this red stuff is coming. So that's how the cleaner will be. So I want it to be very tiny, like this. So now use your two fingers to zoom inside the picture. As you are zooming, you're taking it up, so you see what you are going to erase totally. Use your two fingers. If you use one finger, it will clean. So now you use one of your finger to only erase. To erase what you want to erase. So when you remove your finger, it would clean up that area. Can you see now? Well, if you zoom out, you see that there's still remaining this part again. This part is remaining, so you have to clean that part also. And now I clean this part. I need to erase it. You can zoom very close to the picture, so that you erase what you want to erase. So when I'm done, I like what I've erased so far. So this is a mistake. So if you make such mistake of cleaning that hand side like that, you quickly use this part at the top side, this arrow that shows back. You really click it, it will take it back to where it was. And so yeah, that's all for erasing. You now cancel. This is cancel here, so that you can save. You cancel, and then you click on download. This download is what you click. If you click this download HD, it will ask you to do some task like that. So you don't need to do that. You just click on download, and you see it downloading. You can see my file has finished downloading. So now I want to open the file. If I click open, it will open my file without background. So look at the background now is out. Then I can now go to use it for anything. Maybe put inside Canva if I want to upload a picture.